Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday had received the Solo Award for the India at the United Nations World Summit in Information Society or WSIS Process Forum Prizes 2022 for the Meghalaya Enterprise Architecture, which is India's first enterprise architecture initiative. This initiative of the Government of Meghalaya has been awarded as the best project in the category of the role of governments in promotion of information and communication technologies, ICTs, for development, and is a promotion from department-centric service delivery to citizen-centric service delivery. The Meghalaya Enterprise Architecture project has benefited many departments in sanctioning and administrative approvals of schemes in a matter of a few days, which earlier had taken months.
In WSIS Action Line number 1 is the Meghalaya Enterprise Architecture Implementation Planning Department of the State of Meghalaya from India. Congratulations.
The project that we have is called the Meghalaya Enterprise Architecture. It basically is a blueprint of the entire governance. And this, of course, allows us, helps us to improve the SDG rankings and allow us as a state government to achieve the sustainable development goals. I would like to thank the people of my state. I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister who has given us the vision of Digital India. I would like to thank the department who have worked for this. I would like to thank the ITU for giving us this honor and this recognition. It means a lot to us as it motivates us and makes us do more in the coming days.